Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this easy origami heart bookmark together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm currently using 10 by 10 and let's start with folding it. First, we'll fold it in half. Align the corners and press it down. And now open it and fold it again in half. Now that we have it, we'll fold the side of the paper into the center line. Like this. And now we'll turn our paper over and this folded side will be facing downwards. And we'll fold this bottom line and align it with the middle line on one side. And do the same with the other side. And press it down like this. Now we'll flip our paper over so that this line is facing upwards, and we'll fold this point of the paper up to the center of this line. Just like this. Now we'll flip our paper over and we will open this pocket. So just place your finger in it to open it and align this short line with the bottom longer line. Like this. And the same on the other side. Like this. And now we'll also fold these top little squares on a diagonal, so we will align this line of the paper with this bottom line. So just align it on one side and the same on the other side. And now don't worry if you don't have a point right here. We'll also fold these top corners a little bit downwards. So just pick it up and fold it a little bit downwards. I did it about a third of the line. Just try to make the same on the other side. And press it down like this. All we need to do is bring the sides of the paper and align it with the middle line. So on one side, and align it, press it down, and on the other side. And once you have it, just press it down. And if you turn it around, you have your origami heart bookmark. Now grab the book, take your bookmark and just slide it in so that you know on which line of the text you finished. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next one. Bye.